Hi everybody, the day has finally arrived. Sorry, RCSDB here. As I said, the day has finally arrived. Picked up this little boy from Domestic Appliances and my good friend Z today. Just literally came in via FedEx. And let's unbox it and see what it is. Although if you've been following me for a little while, I think you'll know what I think it is. Now this is going to be a bit of a rough video because obviously I want to get it out there as quick as I can for you guys. So the camera work's probably going to be a bit shoddy, but the end result should be good. So let's have a look. Okay, right. So very carefully, let's split the tape. Around a little bit so we can get a proper look at it, and there she is, the new Axial Unimog 6x6 Unimog 6x6, a SCX10ii 1 cent scale electric, ready to run. Now then, as you can see, the tabs are still on, so I haven't opened it yet. 3 tabs on the case. One. Oh, you can't see it, can you? Okay. There's 2. And there is 3. Right, put that down there. Now we need to, oh no, there's some on the other side as well. Didn't see those 3, so there's 3 on each side. So we've got another 1, 2, 3. If you want to skip this bit, feel free. So let's see what we've got. Right, first thing out the box is the obligatory spare plastic stuff that Axial tend to give. Oh nice, including 2 jerry cans and it looks like an ammo box. Yeah, 2 jerry cans and an ammo box. That's always pretty nice. What else have we got? Ah, the Spectrum controller. First time I got my hands on this one. And the bind plug. There you go, it comes with its bind plug. There's the Spectrum controller. Oh, it feels quite nice. What's it like for one-handed? Yep, that's alright, we can use that. On there we've got a throttle rate, 50, 75 and 100. Steering rate, steering trim, throttle trim and throttle reverse and steering reverse. So that'll look better once we've got a few stickers on there. That can go down there. Now, right. There we go. So we'll dispose of that one. Wow, this is enormous. We have got a couple of cable ties. Some nice decals and the instruction book. There's a few little decals on the back. Get me scissors and we'll, oh, the tyres feel nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. first hands on. We'll dispose of that one. And there she is. Wow. Okay, it looks like they've put the body on. Through the bag somehow. So we'll sort that out in a minute anyway. Let's just get it opened up. So there she is. I managed to get the packaging unwrapped, and I'd forgotten in my excitement how these actually lift up. There is 2 pins, easy grab pins there, and they fit just underneath there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it there, but yes, they fit under there. And then the body itself is hinged. Plenty of room in there for me to put an interior in. Nice bit of bracing on the underside of the body itself. I like it because there are no body posts. Looks like they've copied a bit of Charisma's idea there, with the battery being at the side of this lovely metal encased servo, and the battery sits right next to it. Nice little waterproof electronics box, which will go down well. Waterproof ESC, and the detailing on there is really rather nice on the transfer box. So, like I say, loving the detail on the mirrors. And as I also say, plenty of room in there for me to get an interior in. It's fully usable spare tyre. And I think they could probably have done a little bit more with the wheels. They do look rather plasticky, so that might be changed eventually. But in the meantime, I think they'll do the job. They feel nice and soft. They've got some good foams inside from the feel of it, but they also feel very, very sticky. You can feel it as I'm rubbing my finger up and down it. They do feel very, very sticky. So I'm going to try and put a link in to Appliance Electricals at the end of this. But if I don't, just do a Google search for them. They're in Walsall in the West Midlands. They do all sorts of electric appliances, TVs, washing machines, dryers, you name it that works on electricity, and they do it. But Z, who's a good friend of mine, Zishan Ahmed, he actually also has one corner of the store where he does RC stuff from. So check that out, because service is absolutely fabulous, very, very friendly, and Z will always be willing to help you out. Yeah, so anyway, until the next time, keep an eye on this video, because on my channel, should I say, because we're taking the Unimog out next weekend to Haberley Valley, and that's when we'll give it a bit of a test. So myself and Cameron are going out there, meeting some of the urban monkeys, and we'll give it a bit of a test out there. So I'll let you know exactly what it's like in field conditions, and I will be brutally honest about it as well. So make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and until next time, happy RCing, guys.